Hello and welcome back to IT Performance. Today's video is about a friend's computer that stopped working. So I told him I'd have a look at it, see if I could get it back up and running for him again. So after some troubleshooting, including removing basically everything from the machine, I even swapped out the power supply, I deduced that the actual motherboard needed to be replaced, motherboard, CPU, and therefore RAM as well. So it was a bit of an upgrade. This originally had an Intel G4400 CPU. Came out about 4 years ago. So I've upgraded him to an Intel i3 8100. So that's a Gen 8 CPU, which came out about 2 years ago. He only had 4 gigs of RAM on a single stick, so I'm putting in 8 gigs of RAM on 2 sticks of 4 to give him dual channel support. And this is the journey through assembling the new machine and then doing a cable tidy. Okay, enjoy. Now it's time to put the motherboard together. So the old machine had an ASRock H110M DGS motherboard, which had an Intel Pentium G4400 CPU and 4 gigabytes of RAM. So it fits into the same case, so we don't have to buy a whole new case. We've got 2 sticks of 4 gig, so we're doubling the RAM, and we'll also work in double channel. An i3 8100, so CPU is quite a bit better, and I'm going with an Asus Prime H310MK motherboard. So all up, should have a better experience. Now we will need to change the back plate because this has got more on it. More? Actually it's got less, but that's alright. It does have standard VGA on it, which is always a help. Okay, so this comes with a stock cooler, the same as the previous CPU, which is fine. In fact, looks like exactly the same cooler. Old cooler, new cooler. In fact, the model number is basically exactly the same, apart from a code for the version. Okay, Core i3. It's so small. Lift that up. Take this thing off. Okay. Does not come with an applicator, does not need an applicator. There are some notches in the socket, as well as just on this corner there's a little cutout to coincide with the little arrow on the CPU. So that's the CPU seated. Now it does come with its own paste. If Intel says that's right,
who might argue? It's better not to double up on paste, because you don't really know how. I could clean that and just use some new paste. They won't be overclocking this. And that's it. That's the cooler installed and in place. RAM. Okay, now we can fit it into the machine. Should use the same mounting holes as the last one. I will need to change the black plane. Okay, so screwing in the screws. I generally try to get the cross points done first. I don't do them fully tight until I have all the screws in. The machine is originally a PB Tech built and supplied machine. PB Tech is a local parts supplier in New Zealand where I live. I actually bought all the replacement parts from PB Tech as well. I did a quick comparison not long ago, a couple of weeks ago, and it was $17 cheaper for me to buy the parts, buy the same parts as what they had listed in a pre-built machine of theirs. $17 cheaper for me to buy the parts and build it myself. So for people who don't want to go through the hassle of building it themselves, although it certainly is a learning experience and I enjoy it personally, putting something together and having it turn on, first go, you're always nervous, you always wonder if something's gone wrong. $17, and it's got a full, I don't know what the warranty is, I didn't check that out. But yeah, it is an alternative, and a relatively cheap alternative. I would say the way they do it would be when you're buying the parts, then you're having the markup on each of those parts that they get paid for. Whereas with a fully built system, they're adding the parts at their buy, and then they have a overall markup and then a charge for assembly time, and altogether it comes out to just a little bit more expensive than you buying the parts yourself. Not a bad idea if they can do it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Cheers. Come back. Watch more. There will be more. So come back. See you later. Bye.